I'm gonna walk to the dock, okay?
I'll go with you.
Okay. Because the boat's ready to leave and I want to watch it.
Oh, just start going.
Okay, so I said the next video was gonna be of us on the boat. Wrong again. So I want to watch this boat taking off. Let's take a look at it. Kathy's walking behind me. So we'll go to the dock area. Maybe if we're allowed to. Maybe we're not allowed to. We'll try to watch it taking off.
Yeah, I feel like that line is the people already going in line for our boat.
Oh, really? Okay.
Okay.
So.
You want to go there then?
Yeah, but not in line.
Oh, I was going to go in line. I mean, you can wander and
It's going to be like
later.
what? An hour yet?
Yeah.
I don't want to stand in line for an hour.
Well, I would
And-
like to have a good seat though.
Well, people are going to be wandering around, aren't they?
They might, but not when they first take off. See all the tops all taken?
Oh, yeah.
Which maybe we don't want to be on the top.
Right, yeah.
IDK.
Yeah. Oh, there's a bench there. I can sit down there. Let's see.
Check on the water's edge.
Yeah. It's like a pontoon boat.
Yeah, they said that's a faster one because that one's going to the falls.
Oh, is it?
If we come again, we'll do that one.
I can't believe the guys are going to be standing for an hour. Huh? You got to go. Oh, just crawl underneath.
Well, because loading is 11:45.
11:45? Okay, go ahead and I'll jump in a second.
Later,
Yeah.
That's fine. Go right.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna bring you to a placard. You can, oh man, that boat's going so fast. I'll go back to this placard. Let's watch that thing. That thing is moved out quickly. Where is it? I don't think I'll need it. No. Well, I didn't use it on the way to Beaver Island. So it looks like we're in a bay area. This is Lake Superior, by the way, guys. It's the big lake. So, look at that thing. You can see clear underneath it. Wow. Pictured Rocks Cruises. Picture that. They said it's like 5 degrees cooler, so we bought a coat, but we're not going to wear coats. If it's 5 degrees cooler, who cares, right? Because it's pretty warm. Man, that thing goes pretty quickly. It's like 2 cigarette boats. Oh man, look at the size of that dog. He's waving, honking bye-bye. There it goes. Thinking that's it'll produce a rooster tail. Just me guessing, guys. Is it true? I don't know. We'll see soon enough. Miss Superior. Oh, these whole bunch of little ones here. Wonder what them are all about. I don't know. We'll see. There it goes, going through that narrow part. Oh boy, I hear somebody behind me probably gonna boot me off of this thing. Oh, it's another captain. is your captain, and this thing's going to be back in about an hour, and Kathy's already standing in line. Wow. So I'm going to sit down here. There it goes. It's a nice scenic place, guys. Oh yeah. Nice chair sitting on one of these things that the boats tie onto. So there it goes. Bye. Anyway, check the scene out over here, guys. Very nice. Very, very nice. Water is pretty clear here, but I'm sure this water, because it's trapped in a little bay. Yeah, it's pretty stagnant, and stuff starts to accumulate, as you can see. I remember taking the ferry to Beaver Island a couple years ago. Oh man, I see moisture in the lens itself. I hope that's not messing with the video. And I'll find out tonight. If it does, I want to ship this thing out, get it fixed. And forgot what I was going to say. It's that lens has got me really puzzled why it's dirty. You can't take the lens off. So I don't know. Alright guys, we shall see you soon. And next time you see me, I might be on that silly boat. And the lake is calm right here. I didn't take any Dramamine, so or a stickum thing in the back of my ear to keep me from seasickness. So I don't know what happens. Yeah, oh yeah, that's what I was going to say. I took the trip all the way to Beaver Island, and I didn't get sick then. That was like a 4-hour trip, 2-hour trip. Anyway, what I was going to say was all this junk in here, this is natural stuff. But on the way to Beaver Island, pretty much the whole way there was a lot of garbage in the water. Pristine Lake Michigan water had junk in it. I mean, plastic, everything just floating around. Pretty nasty. So, all right, I'll see you guys. Bye.